Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to collaborate on Instagram. So if you want to collaborate with somebody, that just means making a post together so it appears on both of your profiles. Then I'll show you guys exactly how to collaborate in this video today. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that Instagram is all the way updated. Just search for Instagram, and then once you find Instagram, click on it. Once you click on it, check if it has the update option instead of the open option. If it has an update option, just update it real quick. And once you do that, you can head right over to the Instagram app. On the Instagram app, you're going to be brought to the home page here. And here you just want to start making your post. So you can either swipe to the left or click on the plus icon in the middle of the bar at the bottom of the screen. And here you can just find your post that you want to upload. I'll use this post right here, or picture. Once you do that, you can edit it however you want, add any filters, add any texts, anything you want to do, edit it however you want. As you can see here, I like this filter, I'll keep it as that. You can change any of these options right here as well, but once you're done, click next, and you can put the caption however you want it, but this is where you want to watch closely. Here, you want to click on tag people. If you click on tag people, you'll be brought to this page here. On this page, if you click on the picture, then you'll be able to tag people, but that won't be a collaborator. Right below the picture, there should be an option for invite collaborator. If you click on that, then it'll ask you to type in the name or the username. So you just type in the username of the person that you want to collaborate with. You can only collaborate with one person at a time, so you can only put in one username. So as you can see here, I can't collaborate with the account that I wanted to. There will be a couple accounts that you can't collaborate with. I think if they're private, you can't collaborate with them. So just put in whatever the username of the person that you want to collaborate with in the search bar. And once you find the person that you want to collaborate with, just click on it. Now, as you can see here, right underneath it, it'll show that you invited somebody as a collaborator. Then you can finish editing it however you want. And if you want to change it, you can click Edit Collaborators again, and then you can change the collaborator. But once you're done, just click Share, and then you share it to your page. Once you share it to your page, it will actually say it's waiting for an invite to appear for the collaborator to accept the invite. Once they accept the invite, then it will also show up on their page. So they have to accept the invite, and then they'll be a collaborator. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.